The Nike Giannis Freak 7 EP arrives in a refined white, wolf gray, cool gray, and black colorway that blends performance with modern style. As the seventh shoe in Giannis Antetokounmpo's signature line, it builds on proven technology designed for his powerful, fast-paced game. The upper features layered, curved panels over breathable white mesh, creating a smooth sense of motion and depth. Textured gray waves add a premium feel, while the oversized black swoosh with a bold orange outline delivers eye-catching contrast. Soft, breathable materials around the ankle and tongue enhance comfort, paired with clean white laces for a balanced look. Underfoot, the sculpted outsole stands out with vibrant orange traction, adding energy from every angle. Subtle interior details, precise stitching, and durable construction highlight Nike's craftsmanship. Overall, the Giannis Freak 7 EP offers reliable on-court performance with a sleek, luxurious aesthetic that works just as well for everyday wear, appealing to athletes, collectors, and fans worldwide today seeking versatility.